I was going to talk about the Fujifilm X-H2S, but as soon as I took it out of the box, something else struck me. The autofocus noise coming from the lens. Right now I have the 16mm f1.4 RWR lens on here, and it is noticeably noisy. I've rented Canons, Nikons, Sonys, and the only other time that I remember where I could really get annoyed by autofocus noise is when I rented the Fuji GFX 100S. But I'm a bit more willing to cut that one some slack because it is medium format and not really built as a vlogging camera. But this one, I mean, it's got the flip around screen and everything. It's an APS-C sensor. It kind of is. And not only is it annoying while filming, but I found it's most annoying when, let's say you take a take like this, and then you pop out the CF Express card, and then you pop in your computer, and your camera's still sitting there. And since maybe there's some movement going on in the background from something in my window, or it's still catching my shoulder, I realize I have to turn the lens to manual focus every single time because it just drives me nuts seeking all the time while I'm trying to edit. And yes, that's a small detail, but for a camera that you're going to be using in a ton all day and popping in and out of your camera bag and moving and going on location and so forth, in 2022, we expect to not hear it at all, to be at least not annoyed by it, because so many other manufacturers are completely silent, even the full-frame ones for that matter. So tomorrow, we'll be talking about the camera body, but for today, this lens makes me realize why Fujifilm also has their LM line of lenses, or linear motor, because supposedly they focus a lot quicker and are a lot quieter. Something that I really didn't put much importance on while I was looking at B&H and Adorama and renting this camera, because I felt, I mean, how loud can a lens be, right? And evidently pretty loud. So is it going to be picked up by the microphone? Probably not. Are some people not going to notice the noise? Probably. Are your clients going to notice the noise during an interview? Maybe. And for a lot of us who are run and gun and a one-person band, we do rely on autofocus, so it is a really important feature, or silent autofocus, as I should now say.